All right, I'm back at Home Depot checking out the deals you should be going for in the month of June. I'm starting off with the clearance section. And I know it's hit or miss between the stores and regions as far as clearance deals, but these are worth mentioning. And if you're going to Home Depot, definitely check out your clearance section and see what they have. Because they do have some pretty good deals on DeWalt batteries, in particular the 3.5 amp hour power stack battery, which they have all the boxes covered in labels so you can't see it. But it does include a charger for 107 bucks. It was $200. So definitely worth checking out your store, see if they have them, because they have been having good deals on power stack batteries on the daily deals that they do online. So it might be across the board that they're doing these at other stores as well. And they also have a pretty decent deal on the 1.7 amp hour as well as the 5 amp hour power stack battery at 160 bucks. It was $319. So another good deal there from DeWalt. Now, if you happen to be going by Home Depot at the entrance, certainly be a good opportunity to pick up the Father's Day flyer that they have, and you can go over all the deals and details that they're offering in the flyer. And I'm not going to cover them all in this video, but it's worth checking out. And I will go over some of the deals that they're offering during this time. And Father's Day is June 21st. So if you're a father or you have a father to give a gift to, there's some decent deals. And it's going to be valid from June 4th through the 24th for the flyer deals. Now, last month's Home Depot video, they had this same deal going on with the M18 Milwaukee 8-inch pruning saw. It's the hatchet. It's the same price they brought back again this time around for $199. It is an excellent deal, saving 80 bucks on that. And that's considered the Father's Day deal that goes until June 24th. And they also have a deal on the Milwaukee M18 brushless blower for $179, saving 20 bucks. Again, good until June 24th. They've absolutely raised the price on this blower because last year I think the regular price was around $159 or somewhere around there. But you're saving 20 bucks now after their price increase that was to 200 bucks. And that is tool only. Now, this is why I like the Ryobi platform and the 18 volt in particular. They are pretty innovative as far as the items that they have available in the 18 volt system. They now have a pool vacuum. So if you happen to have a pool, they have this handheld vacuum that also has an attachment point for a pool pole. So you could use it from above the pool and then reach down into the nooks and crannies of the vacuum. It says it offers a powerful suction for fine and large debris, and it's convenient cordless cleaning. So the housing on the battery right here would be sealed off from the water, so you can fully submerge it. And the price on that is 159 bucks, tool only. And here's the side of the box. It says it goes to a maximum depth of 13 feet. And it'd be good for hot tub and step cleaning as well. If you're gaining any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. And let's go to the next deal. And next up, they have a couple different of the Husky rechargeable flip lights. So this would be similar to like the bronze style light at Harbor Freight. This one in particular is the 800 lumen. It has a 360-degree pivoting head to it, which is pretty nice. Also includes a mounting hook, and it has a magnet on the base there, so the hook is there on the bottom as well, and you charge it up by USB-C. This is the small one that they have, and they have another one as well. This is the 800 lumen, and it is nice and bright. It actually has different modes to it, including a top light there. The price on this one is 25 bucks. It was 35. This is in their Father's Day flyer. It is actually nice and compact compared to the Braun light, and even the head of it too is compact and it folds up nice and easy. But then here is the 1200 lumen one. So this one's going to be more powerful, obviously, than the offerings at Harbor Freight. And again, has a pivoting head to it. It even has a UV light for leak detection, 360-degree pivoting head, a hook mount, as well as the magnetic base to that as well. And it charges up by USB-C, which is nice. And this one's dead. All right, so I grabbed a different light that's not dead. And this one is certainly bright. It's got the different light modes to it of the brightness. I see this actually has a selector dial for the type of light you're using. That one also has different brightnesses. And then the UV light there for the leak detection. So it's pretty unique versus the other offerings out there, especially compared to the Harbor Freight options. And this is priced at only 35 bucks. It was 45, so it's a good deal on it. And it appears part of the handles also has magnets too. So you'd be able to mount it in different configurations, whether this side or on the base. So it's pretty nice. I think it's a pretty good deal for 35 bucks. 1200 lumen light. Pretty nice. And it does say that it has a limited lifetime warranty, which the USB and batteries are not covered under that warranty. So I guess if anything else goes wrong with it, it would be covered, which is even better. And they actually have several new Husky offerings, and they have this 52-piece homeowner's toolkit. So it comes in a nice hard plastic case. Something like this would fit in like a kitchen drawer. You can see all the tools that it does include, including different bits and nut drivers. So it's a basic all-around kit that would handle little tasks around the house, and nice convenient package. It is priced at $30 for that. I think that is part of their Father's Day special that they have going on, and they actually have many different Husky options to consider that would make great small gifts for the dad. They have a Husky tape measure that's 25-foot one, and it's like a black tape with easy to read markings and the white markings there, and it is on both sides. It actually feels like a decent quality for the $10. It's not bad. Also from Husky, they have the folding sporting knife with rapid lock. It has a little serrated blade there towards the bottom of it, and it has a rapid lock for speed and safety. And that's only $7.88 for that knife. Then they have a 13-in-1 multi-tool. Has various screwdrivers for multiple tasks, integrated wire cutters as well. Here's the back of the package. It shows everything that's included. It even has a file and a serrated blade, which is nice. That's priced at only $12. Another Husky offering is a 2-pack of folding knives. It offers a quick change blade and lifetime warranty. It has belt clips to that as well. Here's the back of the package. And this 2-pack is only priced at $9.88. Next up, I wanted to share some new toolboxes I haven't seen before. And they have this Husky 12-drawer toolbox in the army green. It's pretty sharp looking. And these drawers are soft close drawers. They offer the drawer liners, which is all on the top here in one package. But this full cart right here, both top and bottom, is priced at $598. I think it's a pretty decent value for what you're getting there. And each of the drawers are rated at 100 pounds. And it has a nice lid there that obviously closes, and you would be able to lock it, which has a key right here, and it includes a power strip there on the inside, so you could lock it and then be able to charge up tools while you're away, especially if you're like in a shop that you have to worry about people stealing your stuff. You can have everything secure then. And it does have 6 outlets with a USB-C and USB-A charger port there. So I think for $600, yeah, it's not as nice as US General, but I think you're getting a pretty good value for $600. In a nice color as well. And they do have other color options. And this box is a 42-inch box. And it has even a bottle opener mounted on the side. A nice, decent size handle there, so you can move it around. It's on caster wheels. So it's a pretty sharp looking box, I think for only $600. Another new toolbox I had not seen before from Husky. And this one is a 52-inch toolbox with the little workstation top in a matte white finish. It has a carbon fiber trim on the handles itself. And it comes with a drawer liner. It has a red accent of the key, as well as red accent on the wheels, on the caster wheels, which I'll show you next. So this is a 10-drawer box with the wood top, and this is priced at $500. It's $498. And I want to show you a close-up of the drawer itself. Like that has like little, this is obviously like a sticker or carbon fiber look to it. I think it's pretty sharp looking. And then here's a look at the caster wheel. So it's got the red accent there. It's a pretty nice box for $500. And they have another color option from Husky. This one's called the Matte Cadet. It's another sharp color. And then here is also a look at the caster wheels. Looks pretty nice. This is also priced at $500. Now, while they don't have deal pricing on those other toolbox I just showed, they do have one on this one. It's a 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench. So 9 drawers to it. They will also have the soft close drawer and drawer liners with it. And the deal price on that is $398. That's saving $50. And you do have until the 24th to get it. Now, I think for the price, Husky, I think makes a good quality toolbox for the money. You can't go wrong going with a Husky. I had a couple of them before that were the 52-inch ones like this. Similar style with the wood worktop bench on it. And these were the ones that I had lost in the hurricane. I had 2 of them. And I do miss them. These also have the side power strip as well with the USB and USB-C charging port there. So I think it's a pretty good value there at $400. Now, in my previous Home Depot video, I did share the Ryobi Days they rolled out with. I'll go ahead and repeat them again in this video in case you missed that. Ryobi Days specific video that I did. And this is going to be their top tier kit that you could purchase for $199. You're going to get 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries and 1 2 amp hour one. And then for that $200 price, you will have options of a free tool or batteries you can get for free. And the first one is going to be on the 510 CFM blower. That's a 149 value, or you can get a 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries for that's a 229 value. And these Ryobi Day deals go until July 19th, so you do have some time to get them. And here's a couple other options that you can get for free with that 199 starter kit. First up is the 4-mode half-inch impact wrench, which this is what it looks like here. So it is a 4-mode half-inch impact wrench, offers up to a 600-pound bolt breakaway torque in the 4 different modes. It has a tri-beam LED lights that are on the head of the half-inch impact wrench. That's a 179 value right there you'll be getting for free. And then the next option is the brushless Airstrike 18-gauge brad nailer. This is a 199 value you'll be getting for free. It's a pretty solid nailer. I had the previous version and it was awesome. It'll fire up to 2,250 nails per charge, so it is nice and efficient. And here's the back of the package. It has a brushless motor to that. I think the previous version I had was not brushless, so this would be a huge improvement over the previous one that I had. And that's an excellent deal there. You'll be getting for free for that 199 kit, getting a $200 tool there. And another option is the 7¼ inch circular saw. It's the 1+ HP model. That's a 139 value there you'll be getting for free. And another option you can get for free is the HP stick vacuum. That's a 199 value as well. And I've heard from multiple comments of you guys having these and it works pretty good. I did have the older version of it. It did not work good. So I'm glad to hear that it was a huge improvement versus the previous version that they had. They have many great options to choose from as far as getting a free tool. And the sign here shows all those available options you can go for as a free tool. I always recommend on the BOGO deals to go for the maximum savings of the free tool as long as you have a need for it. And the next BOGO deal from Ryobi for the Ryobi Days is when you buy this battery starter kit for 99 bucks. That includes a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery. Then you have your option of these different tools you can get for free. Good options there for the $99 kit. And you can see the values of the different offerings here as the free tool that you'll be getting for free. So basically up to a $79 value, which would include that D-handle jigsaw. And they just released recently, a couple days ago, new DeWalt deals. And it's going to be a new BOGO deal actually. And that's going to be when you buy the starter kit, which is the 9 amp hour flexible battery with the fast charger for $299. You'll get one of these tools for free. So they have the grinder, a 6 amp hour battery, a brushless hammer drill, the cutoff tool, the 3-speed impact driver, the D-handle jigsaw, the 6.5-inch circular saw, the recip saw impact wrench, which is the 1/2-inch one, the rotary hammer, and the brushless router. Between the 1-inch brushless rotary hammer and the brushless router, that was going to be your top bang for the buck you would get for free. And you do have to spend that $300 in order to get that for free versus the Lowe's deal, which I just covered in the Lowe's video. Again, that they have for $299, you're getting 2 5 amp hour batteries and 2 free tools. So definitely consider the options. I'll be sure to put that deal in the description below as well. In addition to other deals I'll pull up from Home Depot. So you have different options there. It just depends on if you need the flexible battery and fast charger or 2 5 amp hour batteries. I think it might be a better deal to go for the 5 amp hour batteries if you're looking for just a 20-volt platform batteries, and you get 2 free tools for that $299 at Lowe's. And they brought back some Diablo deals like we would normally see during the holiday time. And this one is going to be on the 10-piece spade bit set. They are on a hex shank to them. Comes with a nice sheath to be able to store them in. And I use these actually myself, and they're pretty good. They are definitely high speed. They'll grip right into the wood and tear it out. This is priced at $14.88. I think it's a pretty good deal for these bits. And the kit does cover from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch size. So it's got many different options there. Pretty good kit there for only 15 bucks. And they do have a couple other options from Diablo. This time it's going to be on, they have a 2-pack of the 10-inch 40-tooth general purpose saw blades priced at 50 bucks. So it's only $25 each. That's a pretty good value right there. And then they also have a 2-pack of the 12-inch 44-tooth general purpose saw blades for miter saws, 60 bucks. And that's priced at 30 bucks each basically. So a pretty good deal on the 12-inch and 10-inch blades. Next up, I'll cover the deals from the BOGO deals they have going on with the Milwaukee M18 platform. And I did cover these in a previous Home Depot video. And these deals will be going down on July 19th. So you do have all of June and basically half of July to get them. So they have a few different options here, and it's when you buy this 199 kit that has two 5 amp hour batteries, then you have these options of a free tool that you can get. And it does appear that most of these options are brushed model options. Then they have for 299, you can get the 2 pack of the 6 amp hour high output batteries and the charger for the 299, and you're getting one of these tools for free, as well as a selection of tools down here that would be available as well. And basically, a 229 value is a D-handle jigsaw, or a 179 value is the 18-volt blower. And the other qualifying item you could purchase is the 2-tool combo kit, which is the half-inch torque wrench, as well as the ratchet. Has 2 batteries, one of each of the M12 and M18, and the charger for $549. Then you do have an option as well as getting a free tool, which according to the sign, they do say it's up to a $249 value you would be getting for free. Whereas the other option for $199, you'd be saving up to $199 in value, which is going to be, which in that speaker alone is going to be $199 as far as a free item you can get under that kit, which they are also offering it under the $299 kit, or go for that one and use this one where you could actually save another $100 and get the same radio for free. And they do have another sign basically just showing other options available as free tools under each of those kits, of the $299 one and the $549 one. Well, they raised the price on the Rocket Light to $249, so that's one of the options, as well as the 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer. It's a $249, and the transfer pump, that's also a $249 value. So they have pretty good selection of free items you can go for with either of those 2 kits. So this deal is not really worth mentioning, but I wanted to share it though, because it's going to be a better deal to go with the other kit. But they have a lower price on the 5 amp hour battery by itself, the M18 one, for $99. They say it's saving $70 on that one, but you'd be better off spending the $200 to get 2 of those batteries and a free tool. So just don't go for this deal by itself. And next up is the BOGO deal for the M12 platform. And this also comes to an end on July 19th. So you basically have 3 different options you could buy as far as the toolkits go, and then you get a free tool. So those options are for $199, you can get the 1/4-inch hydraulic surge impact driver with 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries and a charger. For $319, you can go with the 3/8 stubby impact wrench that has a 5 amp hour high output battery. And then for $249, they have the hammer drill driver with the 1/4-inch impact driver with 2 batteries as well, which that includes a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour battery and the charger for that $249. You do have one of these options here you can get for free, and it's up to a $169 value, which includes the 3/8 ratchet. And it might be worth checking out online as far as the M12 options and even the M18 BOGO deals. They do have a few other tools listed here, like the job site fan for the M12 lineup as one of the free tools you can get as part of that deal. So like I said, they might have other options available online. And the next deal I wanted to point out, which is in the flyer, it's on the Milwaukee exclusive 5-piece hex bit holder. So you're able to hold up to 5 of the hex bits on that carabiner. This is pretty heavy duty and it is nice. I picked this up during the holiday time when they had it. So the deal price is $15 on that, because they did raise the price to $20. So it is a decent deal there at $15. And here's what it looks like. So it is a pretty decent kit right there. And you can hang it on either your belt loop or a tool bag, and you can have the 5 bits stored on it and easily accessible. It's like a quick connect type of system that it has. And they are pretty secure too, so you don't have to worry about losing your bits. So it is a decent deal at $15. And the one thing I wanted to mention, that in the store, they don't have that price marked on the shelf for it. It is priced at $20. And that deal is going to be good until the 24th of the month. All right, that's going to be all the deals I'm going to cover in this Home Depot video. If you did get any value from it, I appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.